Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to reduce size of image without changing its resolution for free in any computer or smartphone. So without one more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Say I have one image file on my desktop screen. So let me just right mouse click on it and let me show its properties. So the image file size, you can see 6 MB, and we'll check the details. You can see here the dimension, which is the resolution 6024 into 4020. That is, first one is the width as well as one is the height, right? So without changing its resolution, we want to decrease the size of this image file. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search for one application named as OptimiZilla. And on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now here you can see here, drop your files here. So you can just drop the image file, or you can just click on this upload file. So let me just drop the image file here. So finally you can see it has completed the resizing my image file. So you can see the percentage of the resize, so minus 66%. It has reduced the size. Now you can see here at the bottom download option. You can click on this download. Now the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now let us check the image file size as well as the resolutions of this reduced image file. So let me go to the properties. So now you can see here the size of this image file size has been reduced to 2 MB, which was 6 MB before. And let us check the details also. So you can see here the resolution is almost the same. You can see the width and height is almost the same as the actual image resolution size. And let us check the original image file size again. Let me check its properties. So you can see it was 6 MB, and let us check the details. So you can see here the resolution is still the same. So by using this application named as OptimiZilla, can easily reduce size of image without changing its resolution for free in any computer or smartphone very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.